Welcome to One Chemistry. This is 365 Chemistry series. Daily one question for you. Here you have indole with 2-methyl group. You are reacting with chloroform and NaOH. Second step, you are reacting with quaternary ammonium salt. You have to guess what will be the final product. Here the reagent is important because the first step, chloroform and NaOH, creates the carbene. Carbene is a very reactive intermediate. It reacts with our system. So carbene attacks the indole. You have new cyclopropane architecture. Here you have strain as well as good leaving group. So what really happened? The ring tried to open. The ring open is driven by strain as well as chlorine leaving group ability. Chlorine leaves, you have electron transfer. Finally you have 6-member aromatic product. So 5-member ring will become 6-member ring. So the final product also aromatic. So stability also drives this reaction. The concept you have to learn here is carbene reagent. Chloroform in NaOH creates the carbene in the system, and the carbene undergo insertion reaction with alkene. That's all from this video. Thanks for watching. If you have any suggestion, comment below.